Hello everyone. I've got a funky little curl here. Anyways, I'm on here to yap for a little bit. My phone's on 11%. I'm living on hot girl vibes and manifestations. I'm also here with 2-day-old sushi, a chilled face mask. I just got my lashes done today. I feel like yapping with the galleys, so we can kind of yap together. Bree's birthday is on Saturday. I'm super excited. I kind of decided yesterday that I was gonna be hosting brunch at my house. So yeah, I have a new dining room table, but I also have my old dining room table. I have an event tomorrow night and an event the following day, and I'm getting my hair done on Friday. So I'm gonna be so fresh, so clean. For Bree's birthday on Saturday, we are going out. I got a new going out outfit. I'm so excited. Consumerism definitely makes things a little bit more worthwhile and more fun when you have some fun outfit or accessory or bag or all of them to look forward to. Is like a K-beauty from Amazon. This is tightening. I don't really think that I need tightening, but oi, I can't get my lashes wet, which I know you're wondering, but you washed your hair. Skill. Anyways, I've been like super focused in planning stuff. I started with like an action plan, just like very basic, like BEO, like what do I need to do? And I thought about like the order that I need to do it in. And then from there, I kind of go in each category and make like a more in-depth list. Can't show any emotion, but you guys, I'm so freaking happy. Since I was planning last minute, I did need to put the Amazon order in pretty quickly. So I ended up doing a shopping list first, and that was mostly just like, what do I need to get on Amazon? Let me get that order in. And then what do I need to get at the grocery store, and when do I have time to do that? I knew I wanted blue and black and silver, so that was pretty easy. I could like determine some other stuff like balloons a little bit later. What can I order in advance and just pick up versus having to wait for, being efficient with my time. Then I moved on besides decorations, menu, and I was like, okay, what is easy, what can, isn't gonna be difficult, same sort of thing, can I use pre-made stuff I already have, stuff I already know how to make. I ended up on a floor plan slash like general drawn out idea of what I wanted. And if I haven't said, this is what my inspiration is. So I landed on this, which is my round table, which I just got. Awesome, I get to use that. Yay! I started with this focal piece. I feel like that's always helpful when you're designing stuff, is finding a focal piece. So decorations wise, that was the photo backdrop area with the balloons. And food wise, it was going to be a pancake tower on a cake stand with a bunch of candles. After the focal points, then you go back to essentials. So essentials are a plate for every single person, figuring out the spacing at the table, some bud vases, a menu. I knew I wanted to do a custom menu because that's something that's so easy, especially for me. I can do it and print it out at work. Silverware, obviously, and then a water glass, which I figured I'd get my water goblets from work, and a white napkin linen. And I think we used to do this fold at this restaurant I worked at, and I think I'm gonna do that fold, even though I think it's gonna trigger me. And I'm doing all this in a diagram, right? And I'm just doing the diagram, and then later I'm making the like legend so I can like understand what I mean. Now that I'm seeing the actual table after working on it today, TBD. The food portion is a fruit salad. I was like, what if I make every single piece of fruit in the fruit salad a 2 or a 5? I want to do a cute little dainty bowl with yogurt that I already have, with honey that I already have. And then the kind of second piece de resistance is a cutting board with mini bagels, toasted, and little cubes of a mushroom provolone quiche, and doing it as a checkerboard. I've been seeing so much inspiration on my Pinterest for like months and months and months. I think I'm gonna do blended on the TV on mute because I know Brie loves that movie and I just think that'd be funny. I do want Danielle to make like Bree's favorite songs playlist, and I need both Danielle and Kara to send me maybe like 5 to 10 pictures, and I'm gonna print them out and put them in picture frames around my house because I think that's really funny. I have a bunch of balloons that are gonna be filling up the bathtub because I've decided one of my signatures for any party, house party that I throw is gonna be balloons in the bathtub. I just think that is the most fun fucking thing ever, and it's like also kind of a fun photo op. I think the silver with the happy birthday with maybe another banner. We're gonna have helium balloons, and then oh no, I'll have a 2 and a 5 up on. Cheers.
Hello everyone, you are getting a different view of me today, and this is what we are going to talk about today. I did such a good job. Let me just yap for a sec and then we'll get into the stuff. I did such a good job today of putting on an all-star performance for Bree that I have had no time. I've been busy. I only had one day off on Monday, and I just wish I had more time to do more stuff. While all the while in my head, it has been the absolute matrix of figuring out and coordinating and quite honestly being the best party planner ever. And thinking of all the details within that and how to make somebody feel special. So I'm gonna flip the cam. I'm gonna show you what we have. We have quite a bit of Amazon packages to unbox. I'm super excited. I got a new outfit. I got majority of the decorations, and yeah, we'll see what I got into, and then we'll get into what there is left to do because we're still going. We're still going, you guys. We are still riding it out. Everything's fine. Let's flip it. I have Bree's present and the eucalyptus that I got. Flowers we will get into later, but I have the bud bases for the flowers. Photos we'll see later, but I have a couple photo frames and I have more to get into. iPad has been my savior. These are Bree's cards. This is another one that I just think is super cute and very fitting. I've got a couple blue candles that I'm also going to be doing. I made this menu. This is all my handwriting. I feel like I did a pretty good job. This is my first ever menu that I've made 100% start to finish in my own handwriting. You guys, I created this new game called Aper Bong. It's a mix on Aperol and beer pong. And it's beer pong with Aperol, but then there's one bong on each team. And that's basically the name of the game. I also made this. I am very, very happy with this. I even did these little doodles. And I feel like what they say is true about like letting go, because I fully was just like doodling these when I was like making my little notes, and they end up in the final product. Living room's looking like right now. This is the table. I think I'm turning this table into flip-tac-toe. So I'm definitely doing the masking tape tonight. That's added to the list because ever adding stuff to the list. Mia, hello. Hi, cutie. We have Amazon package on Amazon packages. On Amazon package. What the table is looking like now. I got the cake stand from work. I had these from my New Year's Eve decorations, and I want to put these up in my bathroom, so that is on the docket. This is the balloon pump that I legitimately need because I bought a lot of balloons, which bev naps, small plates, large plates, to-go boxes, white napkin linens. I do need to do a test napkin fold, so we will pull one of those out. These are just melamine bowls for chips. I got some twine in case I need this for the banners or anything that's going here. And then I did get some of these. Okay, you guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I don't know if you've been here since I've hung up this paint, or this, my kitchen's a bit of a mess right now. We do have a watermelon and pineapple that I will be cutting up tonight. Here, we'll get one sneak peek. I know you don't know what my friend Brie looks like, but that is not it. Whoa, we got a lot of stuff in here. These are the poop bags that I use for my cats. Cool, cat treats, fun. Stop, I forgot I got, oh my god, it's a bag charm. That's a silver necklace because blasphemy, I'm gonna be doing silver and gold. I'm doing mixed metals. These are the earrings that I got. Oh, they're super cute. These are the balloons that I got. That's the color scheme. Oh, and it came with some ribbon. It's a whole vision, y'all. Number balloons. Ah, these are number balloons. More bag charms. Oh my god. With the bag charm to kind of like edge it up. Shut up. I hope my phone doesn't even fucking fit in it. More of those foil fringe curtain. That's for the backdrop. This is the happy birthday banner. We have a lot of balloon work to do. I can do that tomorrow night. I actually have some time that freed up because my event is going to be ending early. Y'all know we have to do this purse right now. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, y'all legit cannot tell me anything. I think I said I was gonna do some stuff on the iPad, y'all. This is probably backwards, but this is on my fridge. It just says happy birthday, Bitty Bree. Test run with some linens and some different stuff. I think I'm gonna smoke and I'm going to take a shower and just wash this day off, and then I can come back fresh and clean. I did eat some girl dinner, so I'm not super hungry yet. So I think I've got like another like hour or so of work. Maybe that is when I will pick this back up and show you some stuff on the iPad. And yeah, we can kind of talk over the plan for tomorrow, because as of right now, I think I have an idea, but we are almost there. Tomorrow is like the final day. I love this lipstick color. This is Bond Girl by Charlotte Tilbury, if you're wondering. I just plucked my eyebrows today and like loving my lashes. Like I said, are looking amazing. Okay, I will catch you later. This is the test run of the look. We've got bag, earrings, necklace. I think I fuck with it. Hello. My goodness, you guys. Ah! Do you see the balloons? I look cuckoo banana. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I can obviously not see out the back. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. She hooked me up, you guys. 12 for 12 latex balloons. She coated them because they're only supposed to last 24 hours. Hoping, praying, please, God, please. And she filled up my 2 and my 5, and she did the whole arrangements for me. Oh my God, I'm so freaking happy. That was so fun. I have to go to Giant Eagle and get some flowers now. Okay, my lovely ladies. The flowers are secured. They're blue. I got one little baby white rose. These are delphiniums. This is legit like the last delphiniums. I got 3. I think that's way too many, but I'm so excited. I think they're gonna look super cute in some of the bud vases. Oh, super excited. Hey, I'm running a little past the time that I wanted to. Thanks, honey. And this way. Are you letting me go? Thank you. Thank you, kind sir, in a pickup truck. Okay, amazing. We are on the road again. We are on a road again.
I'm listening to Miss Ariana Grande because the Eternal Sunshine Tour dates got released yesterday. But I'm on my way home now. I'm hoping I can get home at like 11 something, and then I might do the whipped cream and get the balloon situated, and then I think I'm gonna have to get ready and go to work. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. I'll see you with some of the final stuff later.